Quick Write with Ollie! Let's practice writing the uppercase I. Hi there! Welcome to Quick Write with Ollie. I'm Ollie, and I'll be your writing guide. Today you will need a pencil and lined paper. Let's start by getting our page ready to write. On the left side of your page, make 3 quick write dots. One for the top line, one for the middle line, and one for the bottom line. These dots will help us stay neat and keep our writing the right size. All right, writers, let's jump right in and practice writing the uppercase I. Watch me write the first one. I start at the top line. I go straight down to the bottom line. I go back to the top line. I make a straight line across. I go to the bottom line. I make another straight line across. That's an uppercase I. Now let's do 5 together. Ready? Write! Start at the top line. Go straight down to the bottom line. Go back to the top line. Make a straight line across. Go to the bottom line. Make a straight line across. Nice job keeping your lines tall and straight. Let's move on to the next one. Ready? Write! Start at the top line. Go straight down to the bottom line. Go back to the top line. Make a straight line across. Go to the bottom line. Make a straight line across. That one looks really neat. All right, let's try the next one. Ready? Write! Start at the top line. Go straight down. Back to the top line. Straight line across. Go to the bottom line. Straight line across. Great focus! You followed each step carefully. Let's keep going. Ready? Write! Top line down. Top line across. Bottom line across. That one looks great. One more to go. Ready? Write! Top line down. Top line across. Bottom line across. Excellent work! That was a very clear uppercase I. Look at your uppercase I's. Which one do you think is your best? Circle the one you're most proud of. Great job today! You did some really careful writing. Remember, you can watch this video as many times as you want to keep getting better. Be sure to like and subscribe to the Hands-On Learning Lab. There, you'll be able to practice writing all your letters and numbers with me. Plus, find lots of other fun interactive videos. See you next time at the Hands-On Learning Lab.